shooting live from the kitchen. So yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Maimuna and I warmly welcome you. However, if you've been on my channel, liking my videos, subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Maimuna and I warmly welcome you. However, if you've been on my channel, liking my videos, subscribe to my channel, sharing my videos, you know what you've been doing. Thank you so much and welcome back. So in today's video, as you can see, we're in the kitchen. We're about to cook up some stuff. So I'll be preparing a sticky, or attempting to prepare a sticky toffee pudding. So hopefully that works out, because I'm preparing for like a family of more than 50 people. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. By the way, all the ingredients that I've used, I will put them in the description box below, and the servings I just posted, or I will post on the description, will be for approximately like 10 servings. So because I'm doing for more than 10 people, of course I had to multiply or triple, fourple, sort of like increase the ingredients to fit the number of people that I will be hosting. So let's get baking. Okay, so far what I've done, I have took out the pits from 105 dates and then I've sliced them, and then I've sprinkled baking soda or bicarbonate of soda, and then I'm still currently boiling my water, and then we'll see the rest of the process. Now these pots, I don't really trust the lids because I feel like they don't really like seal in the steam. So I just covered it with foil, and then I'm just gonna throw over the lid and allow it to just like sort of like sit in that I'm just gonna let it simmer for a while, not on the stove or on the fire, just on the side, you know, allow it to just, you know, soak in the hot water and the bicarbonate. Okay, now that I've switched on my oven, I am now going to set up these throwaway foil container thingy wings. I just need to open this. Oh my gosh. This needs a knife. Okay. Knife here. So, oh, where did I open this? Okay. So here we have our melted butter. Oh my god, it looks like custard. So now I'm just gonna measure off and then pour it into this bowl here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna pour it into this bowl, and yeah. I then go in with my brown sugar. Okay, moving on to our dry ingredients. I am going to add my 8 cups of flour, but first I'm gonna sift it. Right, now the batter is in the foily thingy, and now I am putting it into the microwave, into the oven. Now for the sauce, we're gonna add a stick of flour, four cups of brown sugar, and then 4 cups of cream, some honey, I'm so like full of baking ingredients on my body. I don't have an apron, so you can buy me one. Jokes. Anyways, so this is how it looks at the end after everything is done and dusted. Now we're gonna toast it. It's a bit hot, I think, because right now it's a bit hot, but just to close the video, I'm just gonna taste it and let you know if it's nice or not. So I'm gonna just take the smallest one and let me show you. Let me vise. So this is how it looks, and then but that's how it is inside right now. I don't know. Now let's taste. Oh my god, this is so nice, but it's so sugary. Like the sugar in this could kill a person. This is so good. I'm gonna have my cousin or one of my family members comment on how it tastes, because damn, this is good. Now we're gonna be serving this with custard, so I'll probably put a clip when we're eating it or serving it. But my gal can bake. Anyways, let me close off this video before it gets too long. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do try it out, let me know how it turned out. If maybe it was your kind of pudding or it was just like for you. Anyways, from me to yours truly, love. Peace out.